Hi, my name is Jed and welcome to my channel. So ever since I moved into this place, I'm just annoyed by those cabinets. They just slam really loud, and I actually tried putting some small rubber pads onto the corners of those cabinet doors so that they don't slam hard when I close the doors, but it didn't work. So I went ahead and looked online for how to prevent cabinet doors from slamming, and I came upon soft closing door hinges. The one that I have on the kitchen cabinet as well as in the cabinet in the bedroom are hinges that are called concealed hinges, and they look like this. And I found out that they slam like that because they're simply ordinary concealed hinges, and there are like soft closing concealed hinges. And so I went ahead, checked online, and bought a few, and that is what we'll be installing today. So let's go. So putting them side by side, you have here on the left the ordinary, and on the right the soft closing version of the concealed hinge. Now at first glance they may look the same, but actually when we turn them over you will see that there's a difference actually. So on the soft closing version, we're just gonna remove the base plate, and you will notice that it has this extra component which is called the damper. Let me do a quick demo of the difference between the two. So on the left, for the regular one, if you try to close it, it will just snap closed because of that spring-loaded action of the hinge. But on the soft closing version, you will see that the damper actually opposes that force that abruptly closes the hinge due to the spring. And if we turn that over and do it again, you'll see that damper in action as it slowly opposes the force applied by the spring. So next up, I'd like to show you the three types of these concealed hinges before you make the purchase so that you get to install the correct hinge for your cabinet. We have here the three types of concealed hinges. So the first one is full overlay, where the door overlaps the side of the cabinet, and we also have here the half overlay, wherein the door just partially overlaps the side of the cabinet, somewhere around the middle. And the last one is inset, where the door is inside the side of the cabinet right there. Here are the actual hinges for each type. So here we have full overlay. So if we go ahead and put that one, you can see here that will sit like that right there. And here's the other one, which is the half overlay. That one will sit right there like that, right? And it would be like offset to the side of the cabinet. And then the last one here is the inset. So this inset right here is offset all the way to the inside of the side of the cabinet. So when purchasing the concealed hinge, make sure that you identify which type of the concealed hinge are being used in the existing cabinet or in the design of your cabinet, so you will be able to get the right fit for your cabinet. Most hinge types used in my cabinets are full overlay, as shown here. But there's a couple that uses half overlay, just like this one. I don't have any cabinet doors that use the inset type. So just a quick inspection of the soft closing hinge. So we have here the hinge itself and a base plate that goes to the side of the door, and this one snaps onto the hinge itself. And also we're gonna have a cover plate that goes over the adjustment screws. It would also include wood screws so that you don't have to purchase them separately. And the package will usually come in pairs. I'll put the details in the description down below for your reference. Just to show how easy it is to replace the ordinary concealed hinges and install the soft closing ones, I will demo it here in my bottom kitchen cabinets. First, Loosen the adjustment screws located in the middle of the hinge. I'm starting at the bottom to avoid accidental falling over of the door due to gravity. Then I do the same to the top one. I use my other hand to make sure the door would not accidentally come off. And then just simply slide the door out. At this point, I can just put the door on a table and work my way with the screws to remove the ordinary hinges and install the new soft closing hinges. Then I remove the piece of the ordinary hinge that attaches to the frame or side of the cabinet and replace it with a base plate for the soft closing hinge. Then I do the same to the bottom part of the hinge. Now I'm ready to put it back together. And the good thing about this hinge is that they just snap into place. But this time I do it in reverse and work on the top one first. Finally, I will just make a few adjustments so that the cabinet door is aligned with the other door and it will close properly. Unfortunately, there is no way to adjust how fast or slow the door would close, and I kind of understand because given its size, it would probably just complicate the whole thing. To save time, off-cam, I have also installed the soft closing hinges on the other cabinet doors. This is just so much better than before. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And also, if you want to get notified when I upload more videos, just click that notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified. And that's it for today. I'm just happy that finally the slamming doors are gone. So I'll finally be able to get rid of that annoying slamming cabinet doors. I guess that's it, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.